Welcome to the Stability Chamber Monitoring System, powered by AdiLogiX. It provides real-time monitoring, equipment status, and detailed reports for stability chambers. Here we have the global dashboard, which provides a centralized view of all stability chambers. From a single screen, we can monitor 1-channel, 2-channel, 3-channel, and 4-channel chambers, including their temperature, humidity, set points, power status, e-stop status, and blower status. The open option allows us to access the detailed view of each chamber. Here we have the 4-channel stability chamber dashboard, providing a complete view of the chamber's current operating conditions. We can monitor 4 temperature sensors and 4 humidity sensors, with individual live readings displayed for each channel. The dashboard also provides important equipment statuses including power supply, thermostat, main contactor, emergency status, door lock, water levels, chamber light, UV lamp, and lux light. At the bottom, the temperature trend and humidity trend charts provide a clear view of parameter changes over time. From this dashboard, we can also navigate directly to the set values and equipment and runtime dashboards for further monitoring and configuration. The same dashboard structure is available for the 1, 2, and 3-channel chambers, based on the number of temperature and humidity sensors. Next, we have the set point configuration dashboard. Here we can easily set the required temperature and humidity values for the stability chamber. We can also monitor the status of the compressors, air heaters, and RH wet heaters using the available controls. The same configuration is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4-channel chambers, based on the chamber setup. Next, we have the equipment and runtime dashboard. Here we can monitor the status of key equipment, including compressors, air heaters, RH wet heaters, and the blower. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can filter the data and view the runtime of each equipment for the selected period. This gives us a simple and clear view of equipment operation and runtime history. The same type of dashboard is also available for the 1, 2, and 3-channel stability chambers. Next, we have the Review Process module, which provides a structured workflow for reviewing and approving process data. First, in Review Process Master, we can create a review process, define the required steps, assign roles to each stage, and select the final approval step. Next, in Start Review Process, we can select the required review process and define the from and to date range before starting a new review. The Pending Reviews section displays all review processes that are currently awaiting action, making it easy for users to track pending approvals. In Process Overview, we can view all processed reviews along with their current status. By selecting View Report, users can access the complete review report, including the review details and approval signatures. Finally, the Review Process Audit Trail provides a complete record of the actions performed during the review process, supporting better traceability and accountability. Overall, the Review Process module provides a structured, role-based, and traceable workflow for reviewing and approving critical process data. Next, we have the Temperature Log Report. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can generate the temperature report for the selected period. The report provides minimum, average, and maximum temperature values, along with the timestamp, individual temperature sensor readings, and corresponding set value. This gives us a clear and detailed record of temperature conditions over the selected period. The same report structure is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4-channel chambers based on the number of temperature sensors. Next, we have the Humidity Log Report. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can generate the humidity report for the selected period. The report provides minimum, average, and maximum humidity values, along with the timestamp, individual humidity sensor readings, and corresponding set value. This provides a clear record of humidity conditions throughout the selected period. The same report structure is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4-channel chambers, based on the number of humidity sensors. Next, we have the Compressor Log Report. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can generate the compressor report for the selected period. The report provides the runtime of each compressor along with a timestamp-wise record showing the operating status of Compressor 1 and Compressor 2. This helps us review the compressor operation and runtime history for the selected period. The same type of report is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4 channel chambers. Next, we have the air heater log report. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can generate the report for the selected period. The report shows the runtime of each air heater, along with a timestamp-wise record of the operating status of air heater 1 and air heater 2. This helps us easily review the air heater operation and runtime history. The same type of report is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4 channel chambers. Next, we have the RH wet heater log report. By selecting the required from and to dates, we can generate the report for the selected period. The report shows the runtime of each RH wet heater, along with a timestamp-wise record of the operating status of RH wet heater 1 and RH wet heater 2. This helps us easily review the RH wet heater operation and runtime history. The same type of report is available for the 1, 2, 3, and 4 channel chambers. Next, we have the trending data section, which provides real-time visualization of multiple machine parameters. Users can select the required data source, gateway, controller, and tags to create customized trends based on their monitoring requirements. The update interval and time range can also be configured, allowing users to analyze both real-time data and historical trends. For detailed data analysis, the trend can also be viewed in a tabular format, making it easy to review and validate individual data points. AdiLogiX also provides an auto report scheduler for automated report generation and sharing. Users can select the report type, schedule, execution time, and recipients according to their requirements. Reports can be scheduled daily, weekly, or monthly and delivered automatically through email. This helps reduce manual work and ensures that important reports are shared on time and efficiently. AdiLogiX provides an alarms module for real-time monitoring of critical system events. The Live Alarms section displays active alarms with important details such as priority, timestamp, alarm message, and acknowledgement status. Users can also search, filter, acknowledge alarms, and add notes, while the alarm history helps review previous events. This enables faster response, easier troubleshooting, and more reliable operations.